Today we're going to be swapping out the lock cylinder on a 2004 Ford F-150. This is a relatively straightforward procedure. So we've got the battery disconnected already, always a great step to start with. We're going to rotate the key to the run position. Now we're going to take a straight pick or a small screwdriver, locate the small hole in the steering column here. We're going to insert to release the lock, and that's all it takes. Now we've got our lock cylinder out of the vehicle. All these lock cylinders come with a new key already matched to the lock cylinder. It's very important though to understand your application. This particular truck has what's referred to by Ford as Passive Anti-Theft System, or PATS. You can identify it by this large key. And there's even an S for security stamped on the key itself. If the vehicle came with a smaller key, that's going to indicate a vehicle that does not have a PAT system. There's no computer chip in here. And the way the Ford PAT system works is there's actually a chip inside of this particular key. Now there's a transceiver mounted very close to here. And what this does, it recognizes the previously learned key and sends an enable signal to the vehicle's computer, telling it to turn on the fuel injectors and allow the engine to crank over and start. Now if we take an unlearned key, such as this one here, and insert it in the vehicle, rotate the lock cylinder, the vehicle may start and stall or simply will not crank. In that case, we need to perform a PATS relearn procedure. In order to do that, you need a Ford equipped scan tool to perform the procedure, or that's where you might want to go back to recoding your lock cylinder and use this previous key. We've already done that with this lock cylinder. This one is all set to go. It's coded properly. We're going to simply line up the marks, insert it into the hole, and away we go. The job is done. Simple as that.